tahunnya, dicek perkembangannya di beberapa titik ya. Ini maksudnya syaratnya Pak.
Oke, nah muamalah boleh. Ini jaga. Ini jaga. ما تقص من ماجستير ماذا؟
اللغة العربية.
اللغة العربية. شكرا.
صراحة عامة
using English laboratory. So the staff of the English laboratory will make sure and make TOEFL examinations, and we have to make cooperations with other universities around here.
But we don't have yet.
This is the problem. Must be put on expeditively. Yes.
The next ya.
Next. We hope next semester or the 2 semesters.
Yeah. So you must prepare first before you didn't go to the exam.
Yes.
Preparation first.